Hello everyone, today I have my Walmart beauty box. I don't know if this is my fall one. I think it's the fall one. I'm not 100% sure. Give you a little pamphlet there now. First thing I'm pulling out is from Allure, and it is a rose quartz and charcoal, great for oily skin, a daily purifying cleanser. And this product is not listed on here. Then I am pulling out from Gold Bond, it's Ultimate Skin Therapy Cream, Strength and Resilience. This one is in here, and the full size is $9.48 and is 13 ounces. This is 0.75 ounces. Next I am pulling out is from NYX, and it is an apple crisp, and it's a butter gloss, and this is full size, I believe. But anyways, the full size is $4.97 and is 0.3 ounces. This is not the full size, but it's dang close and might as well be. Or they might just vary, because this is 0.27 ounces. Stop that. Gremlin is going to knock things down. Next is from Lumify, and it's the eye drop. Just that. Full size of this retails for $11.97 and is 0.1 fluid ounces. And this is 0.013 fluid ounces. And then the last thing in here is huge, and I think is full size. And if it's not, then dang. Anyways, it's from Marc Anthony True Professional, Strictly Curls. It's a curl defining lotion, and this is what it looks like. I mean, that's compared to my head. But anyways, let's see what this says. Full size is $6.97 and is 8.3 fluid ounces. And this isn't full size. This is 5.9 fluid ounces. So it's still a good size. I mean, see if I can see where it. Can't tell if it's like totally full or not. But anyways, yeah. So Walmart box, I got the Marc Anthony Strictly Curls, the Lumify eye drops, the NYX butter gloss, the Gold Bond skin therapy cream, and the Allure rose quartz and charcoal daily purifying cleanser. And I hope y'all have a great day. Bye.